Hi! Today we're going to learn about second derivative problems in calculus. Let's say we have a problem like this. Solve for f double prime of a, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 18, and b, cosine of x plus 3x to the fifth. So before we get started, let's first go over what a second derivative is, what it helps, or how we find it, and what it helps with, and what it tells us. So first, the second derivative is the derivative of the first derivative. The second derivative tells us the concavity of the graph, and to find the second derivative, once again we just take the derivative of the first derivative. So let's do that with problem A. In problem A we're given a function. To find the second derivative, we know we first have to find the first derivative. The first derivative of this would be 3x squared minus 6x. That means that the second derivative, or f double prime of x, is equal to the derivative of 3x squared minus 6x is 6x minus 6. So the answer to problem A is f double prime of x is equal to 6x minus 6. Now let's solve problem B. In problem B, we have to find the second derivative of cosine of x plus 3x to the fifth. So the first derivative, as we know, would be negative sine of x because we know the derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x plus 15x to the fourth. That means that the second derivative is, let's make the line here. That means that the second derivative would have to be f double prime of x is equal to negative cosine of x plus 60x cubed. So, once again, the second derivative of problem B is f double prime of x is equal to negative cosine of x plus 60x cubed. And once again, the first derivative, or the second derivative of problem A, is f double prime of x is equal to 6x minus 6. Today we learned about second derivative problems.